Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you're doing really good. Today we are going to make a new recipe that's even new for us because this is the first time my Amu is making this. So let's see how it turns out. So we just bought like sweet corn, so we are making with that. Cracked some eggs, salt, black pepper, and I mixed it all together. My Ammu was trying to make like normal egg fry but in a pizza style with sweet corn maybe. I don't know, but then anyway it was tasty. That's all that matters. She used butter instead of oil, and also she added some cheese in the center. As you can see, if you have mozzarella then you can add that. We didn't have, so we just used this. It turned out so amazing. I will really recommend this. Try once, then tell me. But the thing is that just use a little bit less salt than us. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Masalama.